So now exercise, it's 2.1 and we are doing question number 3. The exercise is from ML Agarwal. Okay, चलिए. Now find the multiplicative inverse of the following. अब आपने क्या करना है? You have to find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse क्या था? Do you remember? A to the power m is equal to a to the power minus m या 1 by a to the power minus m. Yes, हमारी जो पावर है वो नेगेटिव में बदल जाती है, right? Now the question is 81 by 16 to the power minus 3 by 4. So first of all, what we need to do, अब जो हमारा base है इसमें, base is not a prime number. Base is 81 and 16. Okay, so we need to do the prime factorization and bring our base to the base, matlab the prime factorial form. Okay, so when I did prime factorization of the number 81, I got this, and on doing the prime factorization of 16, I got this. So I have used these values. So this means 3 to the power 4 is 81 and 2 to the power 4 is 81. So according to the laws, I am getting 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 4 into whole power minus 3 by 4. So when I solve this, what I got, this is the thing. So 4 gets cancelled and I'm left with 3 by 2 to the power minus 3. Okay. And multiplicative inverse is this. So I got my answer as 3 by 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 3 by 2 to the power 3, which means it's 27 by 8. Yes, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now move on to the next question. Now this you have to solve. Okay, beta? Now what's the question is? It's minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 4 whole power 1 by 2. Yes, Rashi? Calculate this thing, beta. Yes, very good. Now as we know, a to the power minus m is equal to a to the power m. So
9 upon 16.
yes. Yes, what answer you have told me? It's 9 upon 4.
Yes, ma'am, it's 9 upon 4. 9 is coming.
Yes, Manan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next. Next is 5 by 7 to the power minus 2 into 5 by 7 to the power 4 divided by 5 by 7 to the power 3. Rashi, can you tell me what is unique in this?
Ma'am, 5 by 7 is the common in
Base,
three
yes.
of
So
5 is the base.
Okay, very good. So when I'll take these two terms, which rule will you apply?
Ma'am, plus 1.
Okay.
And
So
7 upon 5.
yes, so it will be 5 by 7 to the power 2. Yes. When we do that for division, then which rule is followed? The powers are, if the bases are same, the powers are subtracted when they are in division, right? The bases are in division. यहाँ पे दोनों base हमारे same हैं and they are in division. So हम bases को क्या करेंगे बेटा? Subtract कर देंगे, right? So we get 5 by 7 to the power minus 1. Yes, clear? तो इसका मतलब my answer will be 5 by 7. Yes, clear बेटा?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Now move on to the question number 4. Yes, now the first part. Express 4 to the power minus 3. You have to express 4 to the power minus 3 as the power with base 2. ठीक है? तो base 2 मतलब कि इसमें सीधी सी बात है कि ये आपका prime number नहीं है. So you need to do the prime factorization. Is that clear? So when you have got the prime factorization, that means 2 to the power 2 is 4. So 2 to the power, हमने 4 की place में what we have substituted बेटा, it's factorization. So I got 2 to the power 2 whole bracket minus 3 power में. The powers they get multiplied. Okay. So the answer will be 2 to the power minus 6. Now they have said you have to just express it as a power with base. That means exponential form में ही इसको हमने leave कर देना है. We need not solve this anymore. Okay. Okay, Manan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Rashi? Yes.
ma'am.
Now again you have to do this question. Okay? Chalo.
Ma'am, which one?
And 5 to
I'm
the
telling
power
you.
minus 12.
It's 125 to the power minus 4 and you have to express it as a power with base 5. And let me check the answer. Yes, it's correct. Rashi, as you can see, 125 is not a prime number, so we will do the prime factorization. And after getting the prime factorization, which is coming out to be 5 to the power 3. So it will multiply with these two numbers. So obviously answer aa jayega 5 to the power minus 12. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now you have to write the following numbers in expanded form. Okay. Now this you will do. I'm going to wait and wait for your answers and then I will explain. Okay, beta. And the
Ma'am,
number is 2789.453 and you have to tell me step by step. Okay.
can I tell? Can I tell?
You have done. Let Manan also do.
Okay.
Yes. Rashi, now tell.
Ma'am, 2 into 1000 plus 7
Okay.
into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 9 into 1 plus 4 upon 4 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into 100 plus 3 into 1 by 1000.
Yes. Now wait. Manan, tell the exponential form now.
2 into 10 to the power 3 plus 7 into 10 to the power 2 plus 8 into 10 to the power 1 plus 9 into 10 to the power 0 plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3.
यस तो ये आपका जो एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म है दिस इज सिंपल जैसे हम अपने नंबर्स को एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में करते थे लेकिन सिर्फ हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे जो उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू थी उसको हमने 10 की पावर बेस पे कर दिया रिप्रेजेंट ओके जब आपका डेसिमल के बाद आता है तो इट विल बी जब एक डेसिमल के राइट हैंड साइड पे जो नंबर्स होंगे उसमें हमेशा पार्ट्स माइनस में जाएंगे ओके और वंस प्लेस पे आपकी हमेशा 10 टू द पावर 0 रहेगी राशि एनीथिंग टू द पावर 0 इज a to the power 0 is?
Ma'am, 1.
Yes, very good. Now the next question. Hurry up, do this. 3007.805. Done? Okay, let Rashi also do.
I'm done.
Okay. Now, now this time first step will be told by Manan. Yes.
Ma'am, the answer is shown.
Yes, I know. Chaliye Manan.
3 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 7 into 1 plus 8 into 1 upon 10 plus 5 into 1 upon 1000.
Okay, Rashi, now the next step.
Ma'am, 3 into 10 upon 3. 3
Upon?
into 10 raised to power 0 into 10 raised to power 2. 0 into 10 raised to power 1. 0 into 7 into 10 raised to power 0
Yes.
plus 8 into
Yes, 10 to the power minus 1.
yes, ma'am, 10 to the power minus 1 plus 0 into 10 to the power minus 2
Yes.
and 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3.
Very good. So this question is really clear to both of you. Now the next. Now next question says simplify and write in exponential form with positive exponent. अब इसमें आप ध्यान से देखो what they have said. आपने एक तो आंसर को जो आपने आंसर जो कैलकुलेट करेंगे आप वो एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में होना चाहिए इसका मतलब आपको पूरा उसको कैलकुलेट नहीं करना सपोज 2 टू द पावर 3 है तो हम उसको एज इट इज लीव कर देंगे यस मनन
Answer.
हाँ 2 मिनट बेटा 2 मिनट उसके बाद पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट मतलब जो पावर है दैट शुड बी प्लस में नेगेटिव में पावर आई तो आपको इस क्वेश्चन के लिए मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे सो अब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मनन लेट राशि डू दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 5 upon 7 to the power 2 whole power minus 1 whole power minus 3 yes yes beta Which rule will you follow? Manan? Which rule will you follow? Manan? Oh, मेरा ही नेट चला गया. Yes, beta. Which rule will you use? Sorry, I had lost the connection and I was not aware of that. And I was calling again and again. Yes.
Ma'am, addition. Multiplicative addition.
Yes, it will be जो आपकी raise to the power same bracket में रहे और आपका base same ही रहता तो the powers get multiplied. So it will be 5 by 7 to the power 2 whole power minus 1 into minus 3, which will come out to be 3. So in the end, it will come out to be 5 by 7 to the power 6. So ये आपका answer बन जाएगा. Yes. Now move on to the next question. It is 2 by 7 whole power 2 into 7 by 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 7 by 5 to the power minus 2 whole power minus 4. Now solve this question using the laws of exponents. Okay? Okay. Now in this question, what is there? First of all, what first step will you do? ये जो आपकी term है, अगर हम इसको reverse कर दें, तो इसका और इसका जो base है वो बिल्कुल same हो जाएगा. आप जब आप इसको reciprocate करोगे तो it will become -3 से +3. Now as the bases are same and they are being multiplied, so the powers will get added up. So I got 2 to the power 7, 2 by 7 to the power 5. Now in this case, these two powers will get multiplied. So I got 7 by 5 to the power 8. Okay? अब because यहाँ पे क्या था, division का sign था. So obviously division को जब हम multiplication में करते हैं, the number gets reversed. Okay, so 5 by 7 to the power 8. Now what I have done, I have used the formula. अब मैंने ये जो parts थी बेटा, ये हर number को provide कर दी. Okay? Okay बेटा? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 2 to the power 5, 7 to the power 5, 5 to the power 8 and 7 to the power 8. Now in this, 7 is the common base, so powers will get added up. So I'll end up my answer as 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 8 divided by 7 to the power 30. Yes? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So these are like in this type of questions you will get the tricky questions. Otherwise the exponents is too easy. Okay? Now the next question. Now try to solve this, then you will feel 4 by 5 whole to the power square into 5 to the power 4 into 2 by 5 to the power minus 2 divided by 5 to the power 2, 5 by 2 to the power minus 3. Okay? So this is the question. Try to do this. Okay, then we will discuss. And हमने 4 को भी, because 4 is not a prime number, so first of all हम उसको prime number की form में लेके आए. So that is 2 to the power 2 whole power 2. So it became 2 to the power 4. Now you have over here also, and then we changed this division into sign of multiplication. So here also the number got reciprocated. So ये जो 2 है इसकी power, then इस 2 की power and इस 2 की power को हमने add up कर दिया. And similarly इस 5 की पावर और इस 5 की पावर को हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया as per the laws of exponents. जब आपके सेम बेस होते हैं और जो बेसिस हैं वो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं तो पावर्स को हम ऐड कर देते हैं, और अगर वो डिवाइड हो रहे होते हैं तो पावर्स को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ वी गॉट द आंसर 2 to the power -1 into 5 to the power 7. अब हमें स्पेसिफिकली कहा गया है कि आपने पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट में देना है, तो हमने क्या किया, हमने इसको डिनोमिनेटर में सेंड कर दिया, सो इट बिकेम पॉजिटिव. यस, क्लियर? Yes, chalo. Now next part. Now calculate the next part and show me the answer. It is 8 to the power -1 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power -4. Yes, give it a try.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So we will have a quick review कि आप उस आंसर तक कैसे पहुंचे. We broke down this 8 into the prime factor form. Okay. So it became 2 to the power 3 whole power minus 1. And here it is 2 to the power minus 4. तो same base है, division में है, तो parts क्या हो जाएंगी? Minus. So it will become 2 to the power minus 3 plus 4 and 5 to the power 3 will remain as it is. So leading to our answer 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3. Yes? Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you have to simplify and write the exponential form with negative exponent. अब ये ध्यान रखना आपका आंसर जो है वो negative exponent में आना चाहिए. Clear बेटा? Now your this thing is 5 to the power 3 into 4 by 5. Sorry, हाँ जी, to the power 3. Now can you solve this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll have a thorough revision. देखो बेटा. We use the formula कि जब आपका बेस जो है वो डिवीजन में और उनके पास एक कॉमन पावर है तो दैट पावर इज शिफ्टेड टू द न्यूमरेटर as well as through the denominator. Okay, so now this 5 and this 5 they have the same base as 5 and they are in division, so the powers will be subtracted leading to 5 to the power 0 and 4 to the power 3 will remain as it is, but we are asked to represent our answer in the negative form. So I am doing this thing 1 by 4 to the power minus 3. Yes,
Yes.
is that clear? Rashi, is it
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the next part. Now solve it beta. Next part is saying 3 by 7 to the power minus 2 whole power minus 3. So obviously these
Negative
two powers will
exponent के
be
साथ.
हाँ जी positive. Yes Manan?
मैम नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट के साथ.
हाँ जी negative के साथ.
मैम 7/3 to the power minus 6.
Yes. So this is the answer I am getting. Because powers will get multiplied. So 3 by 7 to the power 6, but answer is required in the negative exponent. So it is 7 by 3 to the power minus 6. Rashi, is it clear to you, beta? Now the next question. It is 5 by 9 to the power minus 2 into 5 by 3 to the power 2 divided by 1 by 5 to the power minus 2. Kindly try this question.
मैम पहले मैम मैंने तो 5/3 to the power 2 minus 2 था, उसको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. एक्स फिर उसके बाद आ गया वो 3 to the power 4/5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2/3 to the power 2 into 1/5 to the power 2.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am.
Next.
मैम 5/2 और 5/2 तो कैंसिल हो गए. और मैम फिर 5/2 जब ऊपर जाएगा तो -2 5/5 to the power -2 बन जाएगा.
Yes.
और 3 to the power 2 और 3 to the power 4 कैंसिल होके 3 to the power 2 बन जाएंगे into 5 to the power -2.
Yes.
मैम जब हम 3 को माइनस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 1/3 to the power -2 into 5 to the power -2. और मैम इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे क्योंकि जब पावर सेम होती है तो हम बेसिस को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
5/3 to the power -2.
Yes. Now, Rashi, can you repeat the thing? Rashi, beta, can you repeat the question? The solution, basically.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, 3/5/2 in the bracket 2 into 5/3 into 2 divided by 5 raised to power 2.
Okay.
So ma'am, 3 by 5 4 upon 2 into 5/3 upon 5/3 raised to power 2 divided by 5 into 2 upon 3 into 2 into 1 upon 5 minus 2. So 3 raised to power 4 minus 2 into 5. 2 raised to power 2 minus 4. 3 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power minus 2. 5 raised to power minus 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 2.
यस, तो इसका ये मतलब है, देखो बेटा, ये जो सिंप्लीफाई के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं इसमें यू नीड टू यूज ऑल द लॉज. ठीक है, आपको इसको मिक्स एंड मैच करके लॉज को फॉलो करना पड़ता है, तो ट्राई टू रिमेम्बर दोज लॉज. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
ओके मैम.
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा, ये जो क्वेश्चन गिवन है ना बेटा, इट इज 2 to the power -1 ब्रैकेट 5/3 होल पावर 4. इन्होंने ना प्लस दिया है, बट प्लस करने से आंसर वाज नॉट कमिंग, सो काइंडली चेंज दिस प्लस इनटू मल्टीप्लाई, क्योंकि हमारा यहाँ पे लॉ नहीं लग रहा था, एंड दिस क्वेश्चन हैज टू बी सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग लॉ. तो आई हैव सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन यूजिंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन. ओके, 3/5 to the power -2 ब्रैकेट क्लोज डिवाइडेड बाय 17/9. So kindly do this question. Now see, when you are going to do, हम इस part को as the bases are in division, they have a common part. So we have given the part to both numerator as well as denominator in both the cases. First of all, I have reciprocated the fraction as I have to bring the this power into positive. So 5 to the power 2 and divided by 3 to the power 2. So I got half into 5 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 6. Okay, and along with this 3 को 9 जो है we have broken down into prime factorization form, so that I came out to be having 3 to the power 2 divided by 17. Now beta, in this case only 3 is acting as the same base, so only in the case of 3 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 6 the laws will be applied, otherwise all the fractions, all the exponential forms will remain as it is. So it is 5 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 2 minus 6 divided by 2 to the power 1 into 17 to the power 1. Now as it's required in the question, we have to present our answer in the negative form. Okay, so it is coming out to be see, this was the thing which I got. So in order to get it negative exponential form, I reciprocated the positive one, so it is 17 to the power -1 into 2 to the power -1 into 3 to the power -4 divided by 5 to the power -6. Okay, this is your answer. Now question number 8. Okay, chaliye now move on. Now question number 8 says, first part, 25 into t to the power -4 divided by 5 to the power -3 into 10 into t to the power -8 where t cannot be equal to 0. बेटा इसमें आपने क्या चीज को फॉलो करना है, what you have to follow is कि जो भी आपके पास यहाँ पे नंबर्स प्रेजेंट हो उनकी जो बेस है वो आपका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्म में होना चाहिए. तो कैन यू सॉल्व दिस थिंग राशि? Kindly just revise this thing. Now see.
Please wait.
Okay. I'm just telling the first step, Manan. So 25 को हमने prime factorization form में किया. So we got 5 to the power 2. T will come as it is, t to the power -4. 5 to the power -3. Here we are breaking down 10 into prime factors, which is 2 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1, and t to the power -8 will come as it is. Now we'll apply the laws to the same basis, which are your 5 and t. So when I took 5, तो होगा क्या बेटा, एक तो ये 5 है, then I have in the denominator I have 2, so the parts will get subtracted then after adding the multiplication parts. Okay, so it is coming out to be like this, and t will also get subtracted, so -4 minus bracket -8. Okay Rashi?
Okay.
Okay, then what will happen? It will be like 4 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 4 divided by 2. So the answer will come out to be 625 into t to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 1. Is this the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now try to
इसमें t की वैल्यू निकालनी.
No, you don't have to calculate. This is not a linear equation. Just need to simplify, calculate this thing. Now do this thing. 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 5. Rashi, are you getting the question? बेटा आपको स्क्रीन दिख रही है ना अच्छे से?
Yes, ma'am, it's getting.
ओके बेटा, इसमें क्या है, मैं आपको हिंट दे देती हूँ. हमें इसे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्म में लाना है, हमें इसे लेके आना है और इसे लेके आना है. ठीक है बेटा? Now just try to do this.
Ma'am, just 2 minutes.
Okay बेटा. आपने जब इसको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में ब्रेक डाउन कर लिया तो क्या आया? 3 टू द पावर माइनस 5 इंटू 2 इंटू 5 होल ब्रैकेट माइनस 5, ओके, इंटू 5 टू द पावर 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 टू So, as I was telling you that when you have taken out the prime factorization, so obviously what has happened, the things are like ये जो 10 था इसको हमने break down कर लिया into the prime factors which is 2 and 5, and 6 को हमने break down कर लिया into 2 into 3, and 125 को as base हमने 5 ले लिया. Now as we know, जब numbers जो हैं multiply और common पार होती है तो वो पार हर number को they receive. So यहाँ पे हमने हर number को bifurcate कर दिया. Clear? जैसे 3 to the power minus 5, फिर 2 to the power minus 5, 5 to the power minus 5, 5 to the power 3, then 5 to the power minus 7, 2 to the power minus 5, 3 to the power minus 5. अब आप अगर ध्यान से देखो बेटा, अब इसमें एक चीज तो दिख रही है मुझे कि ये वाला चीज जो है ये इससे वाइप ऑफ हो जाएगा, इसी तरह से ये वाली चीज जो है वो इससे वाइप ऑफ हो जाएगी, राइट? अगर ये ऐड हम करते हैं -2 आया, ये ऊपर जाके क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस, और बाहर ब्रैकेट के अंदर फिर से माइनस है. यस, क्लियर? इससे क्या बचेगा? आई एम लेफ्ट विद 3 टू द पावर 0 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 0 इंटू 5 टू द पावर 5. सो दैट मीन जब हम 5 टू द पावर 5 को सॉल्व करते हैं, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 5 टाइम्स. सो द आंसर इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 3125. ओके,
3125.
yes. Okay beta, I hope this question is clear. So we have finished question number 8 of exercise 2.1, and question number 9 we will continue in the next class. Okay beta, chalo, see you guys.
Oh,
Okay beta,
bye, ma'am.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.